racing just started. We by will survive. First to show quickness at the start. Moving up on the outside, player bottoms. That's my way. Starbucks Fancy, Mayor Bulaklak in the middle. Inquiry. Then next on Laris Chonange. Running by the rail now is Panahon na. Security Spirit. Princess Jalik. Flammable comes next. Janet Lynn racing second last, while Mirabal is the early trailer by about 12 lengths up the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have player bottoms by about 3/4 of a length lead. I will survive in second, 3 lengths further back in third comes Panahon na. Moving up now on the outside, Chonange is Starbucks Fancy, Mayor Bulaklak in Flammable Inquiry, Princess Jelly is down on the inside. Moving up on the outside is Security Spirit, that's my way, Mirabal second last, while Janet Lynn now racing in 13th, last 400 meters of the race. We have player bottoms maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead, and on the outside I will survive, Mayor Bulaklak in joining the mass. They swing for home. We have player bottoms by about 2 lengths. I will survive, Princess Jalig is down on the inside, Flammable in the middle, Mayor Bulaklak is on the outside. Last 50 meters, it's our player bottoms, and finally player bottoms. Princess Jalik, Flammable, I will survive, Mayor Bulaklak in Panahon na. Chonange.
13-2-9.
3-7-1.
Right. 13-2-9, 3-7-1.